Hi everyone, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do the winner's drawing for LDA Papers of the Past. That was the June challenge that was going on in the Facebook groups. I'm going to spin 2 times. I believe Sophie already did her spinning, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if Two Sister Jam did it already because I'm recording this. But yeah, here we go. I'm going to spin 2 times, and if your name pops up, please contact me via my Etsy store and let me know what paper you want to receive. The July papers or anything that is released in my Etsy store starting the 1st of July are not included in the prices. Anything else is okay. Except not if you have like bundles. But I don't think I have bundles in my Etsy at the moment. So that will be okay. And thank you all so much for joining in. It was a really weird month for me, having 1 month off from the challenges. And I tried to work a little bit on the journals that I had to finish. I finished a few. I haven't finished all of them yet. I'm still working on them, but we're starting a new month already with the slimline papers, the ink pressed memories. If I'm saying the kid name right, I'm starting to, well, the Two Sister Jam retreat papers. And yeah, I'm looking forward playing with a slimline journal. So yeah, that's what we are going to do. But let me quickly shift over to the laptop and have the wheel and then do the winner's drawing for 2 kids, and then you will see me back. So here we are with the wheel. I'm going to spin 2 times. The person's names that pops up can contact me via my Etsy. If you can, please share a link or a screenshot of the kit that you would like to receive. And I like to mention that the July papers or anything that is put in my Etsy store starting July, so new papers are not included. So yes, I'm going to spin 2 times, and yeah, we will see who gets a free kit today. And the first winner is Karen. Congratulations, Karen. I'm going to remove you completely from the wheel. And now I'm going to spin the second prize or the second spin, because there is no first or second prize. And the second prize goes to Corey. Congratulations, Corey. Let me, well, both of you, congratulations. Sorry, but let me switch to the desk real quick because I really don't like sitting in the dark. So again, congratulations to both the winners. I will see your message in my Etsy. And to everybody else who joined in, thank you so much for joining in. It was a pleasure to see all your makes, and it really, it really is an inspiring thing that everybody joins in. It's going to inspire a lot of people and others to be brave and also post, because some people just don't post. And I think the more people post, the more people think, oh, I'm going to post too. Because there's no right, there's no wrong, there's only having fun. But yeah, this is it for today. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will join in the July challenges. I hope to see you in the next video. I had the first week challenge video out yesterday. The papers are in the Facebook group. I still have to post them in my Ko-Fi, but I have been out all day and I really want to go to bed. So So, but yeah, thank you so much, and stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.